important big news from Moderna today. Clearly, this is good news coupled with what we learned from Pfizer. What does that tell you about your impact, the impact of these two breakthroughs in stage 3 trials for distribution, at least to high-risk Americans and to the population as a whole, the timeline?
So, I mean, these are exceptional data, and it's remarkable that we have independent confirmation of the level of protection achieved, for instance, in the Pfizer vaccine. With the Moderna vaccine, these are using technologies that are very similar. So I think it increases substantially the level of confidence that these data are real and true and will continue to be confirmed, I hope, as the trials complete and the FDA looks into the emergency use authorization, which is planned to be submitted in the next 2 weeks or so, and then probably reviewed diligently by the FDA, which will be advised by its independent advisory committee. And then we hope that these vaccines will both be approved somewhere towards in the first half of December, pending, of course, the speed with which the files are prepared and the FDA review goes on. From there on, we will be able to distribute the vaccines once they are approved. We know that we have enough vaccine doses between these two vaccines to immunize about 20 million people during the month of December, in the second half of the month. And then going forward from there on, we'll have enough vaccine doses to immunize every month, month on month, about 25 more million individuals each time with 2 vaccine doses. What's important is that there are other vaccines that are following actually quite closely. 2 more vaccines are in phase 3 trials. They have already 10,000 subjects, more or less, recruited into them. One of them, the J&J vaccine, is a one-shot vaccine, so it goes much faster. And we hope potentially to have data from that vaccine somewhere in the second half of January, and therefore it may become available and approved somewhere in the second half of February and add to the number of vaccine doses we have, and therefore to the number of people vaccinated.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.